Alright, hey everybody. This is going to be a little quick review on this Milwaukee M12 Cordless Screwdriver that we've been using up at the shop here for the past couple months. Got it to replace this old Drill Master Harbor Freight $10 screwdriver that we've been using for a couple of years, and we finally killed it. So one of the guys brought this Milwaukee screwdriver in, and we've all the guys at the shop really love it. We use it all the time, and anyway, it comes with this is the complete kit. It comes with this little charger, it comes with 2 batteries, and then the screwdriver itself. It takes about 30 minutes per charge, and it'll be a red light like this when it's charging, turns to green when it's all ready to go. And we've had pretty good luck with the battery life. There's actually a little fuel gauge there towards the back. As you hit the trigger, you'll see the little LED lights come on and let you know what the status is of the battery. It's also got that little LED light there in the front, kind of a visual light, so you see what you're working on. Kind of helps, but it stays on for about 10 seconds or so after you bump the trigger, or a few seconds. I'm not sure how long exactly, but it's got a real nice quick disconnect 1/4-inch chuck. It's all metal, so you can really almost put this thing in there with one hand, take it in and out, but never had any issues with it coming out inadvertently or anything like that. Yeah, it's got a little, you can adjust it's weight wise, it feels really light, just compared to everything else. You can see that battery level there is getting really low. Had one little LED light on, so yeah, pretty easy to switch the batteries out. You just pinch those little tabs in, and there we get the full charge. But yeah, the main thing we use this one for, or this little driver tool, is the stuff like assembling bikes. Mainly this example here, handlebar stem, little 5mm bolts there. There's 4 of them. They've got some thread locker type stuff on there, and they're threaded all the way in, so you got to take them all out, put your handlebar in, and then thread these things all back in there, which if you're just using a regular hex key or Allen wrench or whatever, it takes forever. Kind of kills your wrist when you're doing it repetitively with numerous bikes in a day. So just makes quick work of it with this little tool. And most of the torque settings on these bolts, they call for 5 Newton meters. So found if you set it about 12.5 number on the little dial on the Milwaukee tool there, that takes it up to, I would say, approximately 4.5 Newton meters. So from there you can just get it all zipped on and attached, and then hit it with your torque wrench after the fact. Saves your wrist a lot of work and time. But the actual screwdriver, it's a variable speed. There's no speed setting that you can, other than just depending on how far you pull in the trigger. It goes from anywhere from 0 to 500 RPMs. It's got a max torque of 150 inch-pounds, which equates to almost 17 Newton meters. So most of what we're using it for, it's nothing ever that hard. So I've got this stem just as an example here. I'm torquing the bolts in, and it'll got them in here pretty tight. It'll zip anything out of there that if you just turn it up there, you can put it on the drill setting, and it'll done really well at zipping stuff out there. And you can reset it at your normal torque there, about where I like it, and it'll cut off there once you hit your torque setting that you want. But yeah, I'd say overall we've been really pleased with it. Really like the weight and the way it feels in your hand. Old lithium-ion batteries are super light. Yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this review. If you're got plenty of other reviews and things similar to this on my channel here, so please consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber. And that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.